Hello, welcome everyone. This is Ajay Kumar Chilavancha. In this video, I am going to explain you about how to use mouse in CATIA V5 software. And we will use left click for selecting line, plane, surface, etc. And then we will use right click for assessing quick actions, copy, paste, hide, reframe, etc. And then by scrolling the scrolling wheel, we can able to assess specification tree. In the sense, if you are scrolling the wheel, our specification tree will move, and then click hold scroll wheel and then drag. We can able to move the plane, and then by clicking and holding both scrolling wheel and right, we can able to rotate the body, and then by click and hold scroll wheel, then click and release right, we can zoom in and zoom out. Now I am going to open CATIA V5 software, and then I will show how to use this all features in our CATIA software. Here I already opened a bottle ready made, and then I'm going to explain how I'm using this all tools in CATIA. And for selecting any plane, simply go to that plane or else the surface and then click, then you can able to select that. And after that, if you want to hide that and copy or else paste anything, you can simply go to that and then give right click. Our options will come, and then from that, reframe, on, hide, show, properties, other selection, everything we can able to access this every feature from this. And then now I'm going to explain how to zoom in and zoom out. First, you want to click and hold the middle scrolling button, and then you click and release or right click, then drag forward backward for zoom in and zoom out, and then release. Now it will be okay. And then for moving the object like this, we will use just click and hold scrolling button, and then you move our body. After that, if you want to rotate the body, means if you want to view in 3D, three-dimensional view, if you want to rotate the body, then first you go and keep your cursor on the body, and then click and hold both scroll wheel and our right click, then you can able to rotate the body and release, and then rotate. You can able to rotate by holding. For rotating this body, you want to hold continuously, means you should not leave the button. If you are leaving the button, it will be stay in that place. For assessing the specification tree, if you want to view this bottom specification tree, just scroll the mouse, simply scroll the scrolling wheel, and then you can able to scroll the scroll wheel. If you want to zoom in and zoom out our specification tree, just press Ctrl and then scroll. It will zoom out and zoom in. Okay, and this is how we are going to use our mouse in CATIA. Thank you. I will meet you in next video.